Hi, hello, I'm back again. I'm at Rose Dress for Less. Today, let's quickly see what they have in the store. They have some new bags in the store. If you like my type of video, please consider subscribing. As I always say, don't forget to share. Thank you so much. Today, I'm looking at this bag. This is by DKNY for $54.99. And yeah, this is new in the store. And here we have this one. This is a very good bag by Steve Madden. And this one was $78. Today you get it for $27.99. Here we have this bag. I'm loving the structure. This one is $19.99. Okay, it's new in the store. Here we have this one by Jessica Simpson. Look at this. I love this style. Look at that. I love this one. And the quality is good as well for $27.99. Good. Here we have this backpack. The color is giving everything by Handbags. And this one was $60. Today you get this one for $29.99. It's new in the store. Okay, yeah. And here we have this one. This is by Steve. It's similar to the Jessica Simpson we saw. This one was $88. Today you get it for $29.99. And here we have this one. Look. The leather is given. Interesting crossbody bag. This is big enough with lots of compartment. 1, 2, 3, 4. And inside, I'm sure they will have more for $14.99. Good. Very affordable by this brand. And here we have this backpack. This backpack is not too big, very sizable. This one was $89. Today you get it for $22.99. And here we have this one. I'm trying to, show you the ones that are new in the store, because the last time I was here, this place was, literally empty. And here we have this one. This is so cool. And the quality is good for just $12.99. Look, interesting. It's new in the store. Down here we have another one. This is new in the store by Nine West. This one is $29.99. Good. Okay, so yeah. If you're interested, keep watching because I will take you to top section. So hang on, keep watching if you're interested. Look at this shoulder bag. This looks like what? This is like dreams. $14.99. Yeah, they are very good. Yeah, good brand. All right, behind I am looking at this tote bag. Look. I wish I can be able to grab this. Let me see if I can take this out. Look, all right, it feels so good. All right, with makeup bag, this can serve as a makeup bag and can serve as yeah, I will use this as a makeup bag. And this is by Jessica Simpson. All right, 2-in-1 for just 19. This was 118 and you get this for 19.99. I'm not surprised. The quality drew my attention. This is so good. All right, and this is a steal. This is what I'm talking about. Is a steal. How do you explain this for 118 and you get for 19.99? God, it's a steal. Okay, and here we have this one. This is new in the store as well. This one is by Steve. The color is given Steve Madden. Don't play. This was $108. Today you get it for $34.99. Don't play. Steve Madden, they are always representing. And look behind me. Look what is happening here. These are some beautiful big backpack. Look at that. Your girl will love you for this. Your girl will thank you for this. When these, oh my God. Okay, this looks so good and it's well made. Who made this? Who made this? Who made this? Please give me tags. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't think I've seen this brand before. Okay, this one is $24.99. It looks good. It looks good. They have it, more of it in the store. This is new in the store. All right, this is new in the store. See more pink bags. This one is, shoulder bag, and this is $14.99. And here you have more bags. Okay, for $15.99. Very good. All right, let's see. Yeah, all right. And we have this. I've seen this somewhere in a different color. Let me grab this one and show you. This is by Steve Madden. Look at that. Yeah, very small clutch bag, very small top handle bag. And this one was $88. Today you get it for $24.99. More pink handbags. Look, this tote by Bebe. This is so good. I'm a top candle girl, so if I get this, I will definitely rock it like this. And this also have long straps, which is good. This one was $99. Today you get it for $27.99. More pink handbags. Look at this one. Look at this one. This is Stench. Okay, this is by Aldo. It's Stench. The price is not here, store price. Down here we have this one by Debe. Okay, look, this is structured for $19.99. Let me take you to the top section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, now I'm at the top section. Let's check out what they have here. I'm seeing new tops already. Let's start from here. I am looking at this beautiful color. We are doing this color this year, all right, and I'm loving this shade. It's so good. This is a mixture of, look what is happening here. This is so good. If you are looking for good tops, I do say that in my videos, all right, whenever I'm in Burlington, good top at affordable rates, come to Burlington. Yeah, I would say they are slightly cheaper than other stores. Yeah, look at this. This is so good for $9.99. This is what I'm talking about. In size medium. Good, good, good. Look, this is a two-piece. Yeah, this is a sleepwear. Look, this is good. It's not supposed to be here, but yeah. This one is $12.99 in size large. You can't beat this. Yeah, they are not priced differently. It's a price for the two. Yeah, it's a steal. And here we have these denim, dark denim jeans by D Jeans for $16.99. Yeah, it is good. It is good high waist ankle jeans. Here we have another jeans. They are not supposed to be here, but of course we are in Burlington. This one is $12.99 for, yeah, $12.99. Interesting. Let's continue with the tops. Is why we're here. And here we have this one. This one is $10.99. Okay. This one is $10.99. And we have another one. Look, 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 look. Okay. This one is in size large. Very good. I love the color. Interesting color. And the price for this one is $9.99. Okay, their prices are always very good. This one is by CK in size medium. Very good. This was $44.50 and today you get it for $12.99. Interesting. And here we have this sleeveless top. This is very good. It feels so good. This was $54 and today you get it for $16.99 by Tommy in size medium, and it's new in the store. Here we have another one. Look, 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 look. I'm loving the color. All right, we are doing this color this year. One of my favorite color of the year. All right, this one is $10.99. Very good. By this brand, the quality is so good. This looks so good. This will be perfect for summer vacation. Interesting. And here we have this white tee with the guests at the front. Let me bring you close so you see all these, stars. Very good for 14.99. Interesting. More tops. Look what we got here. Okay. Yeah, I have been seeing this more of this type of top this year with this combo lace on the sleeves. Yeah, it's happening more this year, and this one is in size medium, and you get it for 9.99. Interesting. All right, I will end this video here. If you made it to this point or you see what you love and I did not talk about it, please visit any Burlington near you. I'm sure you will grab something very good. And please share this video to others. Like this video. By liking this video, you are letting YouTube know that you enjoy my type of video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.